Everyone says invest your money, but nobody tells you what to do when all you have is 10,000 shillings. So here's the truth. Your first 10K is the most important money you'll ever grow. Not because it's a lot, but because of the habit it builds. So let's not waste it. Here's exactly where your first 10,000 should go, here in Kenya. First, the mistake almost everyone makes. They leave that 10K sitting in M-Pesa or a normal bank account where it earns nothing and slowly loses value to inflation. Or worse, they hear about some forex or crypto scheme that doubles your money in a week and they lose the whole thing. Your first 10K is not for gambling, it's for building a foundation. Step 1. Take 2,000 shillings and keep it liquid in your M-Pesa or a normal account. This is your tiny emergency buffer. It's what stops you from reaching for Fuliza or a mobile loan the moment something small goes wrong. 2,000 shillings of breathing room. That's the whole job. Step 2, and this is the important one. Take the other 8,000 and put it into a money market fund. I covered these in detail in another video, but here's the short version. It's a regulated fund that pays you around 10 to 13% a year, far more than a bank. You can start with as little as 1,000 shillings. The interest is added every single day, and you can withdraw within a day or two if you really need it. This is your first real investment. Watching it grow, even slowly, changes how you think about money forever. Step 3. Now build the habit. Every payday, or even every week, add a little to that fund. 500 shillings, 1,000, whatever you can. Because here's the secret nobody tells you. When it comes to growing money, consistency beats the amount, every single time. Small, boring, repeated. That's the whole game. And quickly, what not to do with your first 10K. Don't lend it out. You'll rarely see it again. Don't pour it into hype, crypto, forex, or any double your money promise. And don't just leave it sitting idle. Boring and steady wins, always. Do this and something powerful happens. That 10K becomes 20, then 50. Then before you know it, you're looking at your first 100,000 shillings and a completely different set of options. When you get there, I made a full video on exactly how to grow 100K in Kenya. Watch that one next. So remember, your first 10K isn't small, it's the seed. Protect a little, grow the rest, and keep adding. If this made starting feel possible, subscribe. We do this every week. Made for Kenya. And go watch the 100K video next. Catch you there.